Look at this question. It's a previous year question. The ratio of the distances traveled by a freely falling body in the first second, second, third second, and fourth second, etc. We have a formula. Please remember this formula. Suppose a body moving along a straight line. A body moving along a straight line like this. Let me write the formula. Please memorize this formula without any proof. The distance covered by the body in nth second let us denote by Sn. What is the meaning of this? What do you mean by this nth second? For example, the distance covered by the body in the first second. What does it mean? In the first second means 0 second to 1 second period. There is a period 0 second to 1 second period. So during that time interval, what is the distance covered by the body? It is the distance covered by the body in the first second. What do you mean by the distance covered by the body in second second? What is the meaning? Its meaning is, suppose the position of the body at the first second, I mean 1 second time, okay? When time equal to 1 second, suppose the position of the body here. When the time is 2 seconds, suppose the position of the body is here. When the time 1 second, suppose the position is here. When the time is 2 seconds, suppose the position is here. So the distance covered here from 1 second to 2 seconds, it is the distance covered by the body in second. Understood? This distance is said to be the distance covered by the body in second. Understood? 1 second to 2 seconds. Is that okay? So let me generalize this. When the time is n-1 second, suppose this is the position of the body. And when time is equal to n second, this is the position of the body. During this time interval, the distance covered by the body, it is actually the distance covered in nth second, Sn. So distance covered in nth second is nothing but it is the distance traveled by the body between the time intervals n-1 second and n seconds. Understood? We have a formula. The motion along a straight line with a fixed acceleration. Sn is given by, memorize the formula u plus half a into 2n minus 1. Let us learn without any proof. Sn equal to u plus half into a into 2n minus 1. Nth second. So in the question is talking about the freely falling body. In the case of freely falling body, the initial velocity will be 0. A freely falling body means the initial velocity will be 0. So what is S1? Diagram is not required. S1, the distance covered in first second. Understood the meaning? Okay. The distance covered in first second. In this formula, you can put u equal to 0. Half into a is 9.8. Or you simply write a, no problem. 2n minus 1 will be 2 into 1 minus 1. This is a by 2. A is 9.8, but let me write a. Okay. 2 into 1. Okay. Substitute n equal to 1. Then what is S2? S2 is obtained by, remember u equal to 0 for freely falling body. The second, you have to put n equal to 2. Half into a into 2 into 2 minus 1. This is 3. 4 minus 1. 3a by 2. Similarly, S3, third second. In third second, how much distance? Same formula, u equal to 0. Half into a into 2 into 3 minus 1. This is 5a by 2. And S4, fourth second, same formula, half into a into 2 into 4 minus 1. 7a by 2. The ratio is first second a by 2 is to the second is 3a by 2 is to third second is 5a by 2 is to fourth second is 7a by 2. The ratio you have studied in the lower classes. If there is any common factor in all the number, we can cancel the common factors. That's the property of the ratio. In all the ratio, if all the number carries a fixed factor, it can be cancelled. So in every term, a by 2 is common. A by 2, the fixed factor a by 2 is common in every term. It cancels. A by 2 cancel 1. Here 3 is remaining, 5 is remaining, 7 is remaining. So the ratio will be 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7. Option C is the answer. Okay.